Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making something from The Mandalorian. So I knew I wanted to make something from The Mandalorian because I love that show. I'm obsessed with Baby Yoda, and I was kind of inspired when I saw what the Beskar steel looked like. And I was like, I kind of want to make that into a chocolate bar. The first thing I had to do was make my model of the Beskar steel bar, what I'm hoping the chocolate bar is going to look like. And I made this out of polymer clay. This is just some leftover clay I had lying around. There's no particular reason why I chose these colors. I was pretty happy with how it came out. I popped it in the oven for, whatever the instructions said. So the next step is to make a mold out of gelatin. It's probably not going to retain as much detail as if you use like a silicone putty or something like that. But silicone putties are very expensive. So we're gonna try this out. I took some unflavored gelatin. This is little gelatin unboxing. Yeah, we opened the package and there's 4 packets. And then we realized there's no instructions anywhere on the box. Like that's not cool. So I go and I look up a well-known unflavored gelatin maker and see how you're supposed to make this gelatin into gelatin. So you're supposed to mix the gelatin granules in with a little bit of cold water and kind of dissolve them, break up the granules a bit before you add boiling water to it. But this first attempt, there will be multiple attempts. I used 1 packet. I used altogether, all the water was a cup. I was, just so excited about what was going on, so I hastily forgot to grease anything. So when I realized this, I quickly greased our little model. I forgot to grease the container though. Then I poured the gelatin on top. Stuck that in the freezer for a little bit. I checked on it after like a half an hour. There was some ice forming on it, so I decided to pop it into the fridge just to kind of melt that ice. Tried to pop it out and it split. I was worried it was gonna stick to the imperial symbol, like it was gonna get stuck inside of little crevices. I think it was just the fact that if the gelatin was thicker and stronger, it would have been okay, but this was not. But this is the way.
This is the way
of a lot of my projects. So I decided to remake the gelatin. I used 2 packets. I used a little bit more water though, just so the bottom of the gelatin mold was a little bit thicker. So I did all the same things. I remembered to grease the container, to grease the model, and it is currently setting up. I have 1 packet of gelatin left. So if this doesn't work, I'm okay if I can't get all the details of the imperial symbol or whatever. I just want a mold. The chocolate. I want to make the chocolate and all the colors. I don't get this to come out because of these stupid gelatin molds. I ain't paying like 30-40 bucks for a mold. I don't know. I might have to scrap this. I guess let's take it out and see if it worked any better. I don't know. It might be releasing a little easier this time. That's pretty good. Okay. It came out in 1 piece this time. Oh my God. It worked. It worked. Yes. I'm gonna try to use like half of this just in case. We're gonna make 3 different grays and we're gonna try to layer them together and then pour it in. Now I know I'm not gonna get it like perfect, like I know that already. Okay, I got my 3 bowls. I haven't even tested this out. I was going to use this petal dust to make them gray. It's black. In theory, should work, right? Yeah. We'll see. Well, let's use like, that's a half a cup. I feel like I need a little more than that. Let's go like that. But first step is I gotta melt this slowly. Okay, look at that. So just so you can see, we've got like different colored grays here. Just like alternating colors and kind of like dragging them around and I'm gonna try to swirl them or something. Get any of the air bubbles out. A lot of holes in this one. Oh, you hold it kind of far away. Ooh, yeah, that looks good, right? It's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? 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 Well, this is what we got. We got some okay looking Beskar. I like the color in this one and kind of like seeing the layers. This one, the Imperial symbol came out better. So you got, you know, good and bad of both. They look pretty good. So I guess we're gonna be satisfied with these. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.